Are you looking for a place to be able to discuss what's been happening with race in our country over the last few weeks? Well, if you are, I'd like to invite you on behalf of Unity Northwest Church to join us for a discussion that we're calling Creating a New Dream. I'm Reverend Elizabeth Moore, and I'm the minister at the church there, and my heart is full. And my heart is hurting, and I'd like to be able to open up our church on Zoom to be able to discuss where we go from here, to be there to support each other, to ask questions, and to talk about difficult things. So if you'd like to be part of the discussion and find out what it is that's in your heart to do about this issue right now, join us on Wednesday starting June 17th. You can find the link here in this email on our Facebook page or on our webpage, Unity Northwest Church, Reverend Elizabeth Mora, starting June 17th from 1 to 2 Central Time. Join us for this important discussion on how to build a new dream.